Make a great choice today with the 2010 Tribute. Rugged enough for the weekend, yet functional for day-to-day, the Mazda Tribute is the answer to the SUV value versatility equation. With its good looks, impressive power, notable fuel economy, and a smooth ride, any way you figure it, the Tribute adds up in your favor. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, heated seats, four-wheel drive, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, air conditioning, alloy wheels, auto express down window. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.